everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. So today we're going to be starting our fall cabin dollhouse for my Barbie dolls. I'm super excited to start this new series with you guys. As you guys know, I love redoing dollhouses. This is actually the very first dollhouse I bought from a thrift store. I ripped everything out because, you know, it was one of the first dollhouses I had. I just threw it together just to have a house for my dolls. But as my skills progressed and as I kept crafting, I built them a mansion house. Like I redid the Shimmer Mansion, which I do have a video of that in my uploads of videos, and I will link that down below. And then also I do have a Brooklyn loft that I did, and now we're going to do a fall cabin. So I'm really excited. And also we made a cardboard dollhouse that I will show you guys what that looks like, and I'll link that down below as well. I will link part 1 to those videos, and then you can just follow along with the rest of the series if you guys are interested in the other series that I have done. So today we're going to start pretty much turning this house into a cabin. So it does have little patches because I did paint it and I ripped off all the stuff I had on the walls. So it does have little peaks of the old dollhouse peeking out where the paint came off. But we're going to be covering that. So first thing I want to do, I would like to cover the wood areas right here. And in order to cover the wood areas, I'm going to be using this wood stain right here. It's mess free and it's a little stick right here that you can just do little projects. I will link this in the description box down below. I did get it from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and go across all of the light brown areas of the house with this. And then we're going to move on to the next step. So the color of this staining is dark walnut. I wanted a dark color just to give it that cabin feel. So let's go ahead and start staining. I pretty much stained majority of the stair area. I'm going to get these little areas with a brush, but I'm going to go ahead and do the main frames on the outside.
Overall, I really do like this stain stick. It's very easy and it is really mess free. I was able to stain every part of the house that I wanted to do, and I love the look that it gave it towards the end. So that's my review on this stick. I absolutely love it and I highly recommend it to stain your dollhouse if you wanted to have that dark wood look.
So I stained all the wood in the dollhouse to this dark color and I absolutely love it. I feel like it aged it a lot. So now we need to make the inside match the staining. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover all the walls, but for the middle, we're going to use a different type of paper. So let me show you guys the contact paper that I got. I'm going to be using this wood contact paper that I got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and get to covering this house.
Okay, so I take the peel and stick paper and I measure it out to cover all the areas I want to cover in the room. Then I cut it down to size, and then once I do that, I just peel from the peel and stick part of it, which I think is super easy, and I love this method of giving my dollhouse wood floors. And I love how I did the walls as well, that I'll show you guys in a moment, but I absolutely love it. And then you just smooth it out as you glide it along the dollhouse, and it's so oddly satisfying, and I really do like this a lot. Walls of the dollhouse, I like to go in an upward motion. I found that it was easier to smooth it out that way, and I really love how this is transforming. I can already see the wood cabin that I was looking for, and I did the same to the sides. I covered the entryways because I had a brilliant idea to cover the entryways, and then once I was done covering it all, I took my X-Acto knife and I cut right down the middle. Then I cut on the sides, and when I flipped the flaps back, it looked like doors were opening on the opposite side of the dollhouse, and I really did love how that looks, so I'm happy I came up with that idea. This is the whole first level, so now it's time to move on to the second level. So I'm just going to cover the sides the same way I did the top level with the same contact paper, but for the middle we're going to do something different. I'm going to use this scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. I did it in a haul and I showed you guys this paper and I really love it. So I'm going to use some tacky glue to glue it in place. This is the one I like to use, the fast and grab. It's my favorite one to lay down scrapbook paper and I really do love it. So I'm just placing it in, making sure it's covering all the corners, and I'm going to cover this whole back wall with this scrapbook paper. This is how that second floor came out, and I absolutely love this. It looks so beautiful and I love the wood and how it came out.
So I pretty much covered most of the floors of the dollhouse. The bottom floor I didn't cover because I want you guys to decide what we should do with the bottom. I'm thinking maybe we should do a spa. I really don't want to do a bathroom in this dollhouse because I have so many bathrooms and I barely use them, so I want to use this as like a vacation home. So this room right here, we're going to use it as a bedroom because I want a small bedroom, and the reason why I'm going to tell you in a second. So this side is going to be a kitchen slash little eating area, and up here I want to make a really nice living room. So that's why instead of this being the bedroom, I want to put the bedroom here and put the living room right here, so we can put a fireplace and do some really cute crafts up in here. So definitely, but I want to I was thinking about making like a little spot on this bottom part for like the little resort type of look. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys think a spa. If you think we should do a spa, put a spa emoji or put spa in your comment, and if we get more than 10 people saying spa, we'll do a spa. So, or if you have any other ideas, and if people like the idea, then we'll do that one. So let me know in the comments down below. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already do, at Bougie Doll Life. And I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye.